Have I told you boys of 1910 when the Halfpenny Strike began? We stormed the cops on Pandy Square and how the blue coats ran. We chased them up to Pier and how the blue coats ran. You should have seen the old square clear when the Halfpenny Strike began. Not a halfpenny more, the owners said when the Halfpenny Strike began. We spat on our hands and swore then, and how the blue coats ran. Old Nabbin was asleep in bed when those big coppers ran. By Brace and Hartshorn we were led when the Halfpenny Strike began. I'll send in troops, Churchill cried, that cowardly bloody man. And by their guns one of us died when the Halfpenny Strike began. We fought them in Dunraven Street, we fought them man to man. I tell you boys, we had them beat when the Halfpenny Strike began. But the sun was strong, the summer long, and the kids had nothing to eat. So we went back in the end, boys, 'cause the hunger had us beat. When we needed bread for the kids, boys, the owners knew they'd won. And we didn't have the strength we'd had when the Halfpenny Strike began. So I'll tell you boys of 1910 when the Halfpenny Strike began. We stormed the cops on Pandy Square and how the blue coats ran. We chased them up to Pier and how the blue coats ran. You should have seen the old square clear when the Halfpenny Strike began.